Let's make a classic French Bordelaise sauce. Place a saucepan on the stove and set the heat to medium. Add 1 cup of dry red wine, 2 medium shallots finely chopped, a bay leaf, and half a teaspoon of dried thyme. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil and cook until the wine is reduced by approximately half of the original volume. Add 2 cups of beef stock and bring to a boil again. Cook until the volume reduces by another 50%, or until the sauce has thickened enough to coat the back of a spoon. Strain the sauce through a fine mesh sieve. I'm pressing it with a spoon to ensure maximum yield. Season with salt and pepper if needed, but the beef stock may have all the salt you need. Use on grilled meats, slow roasted beef, Wellingtons or anything else it would pair well with. I'm going to be using this on a hot dog Wellington in another video.